So hi everyone, my name is Vikas. So I am an investment banker. Okay, so I hold over 12 years of experience working in the investment banking. Okay, so today I'm making this short video for all of those like who are looking to build their career in the field of investment banking and financial modeling. Okay, so this video will also be relevant for those like who are looking to switch their field into investment banking and currently they are basically working in the other fields. Okay, so in this short video, so I'm going to talk about what are the different skill set which is required to get excelled in this field. Okay, so what are the different kind of prerequisites to be eligible for any financial modeling or investment banking job opportunity. So then at last, so I will review one of the best financial modeling course, which is basically available online. Okay. So now I'm just starting with point number one, where we are going to discuss about the skill set which is required to get excel in this particular field. Okay. So you should have a good conceptual knowledge about the basics of finance, accounting, time value of money. So you should understand the different kind of financial statement, like we have three major financial statement like the P&L, balance sheet, and the cash flow. You should know how these statements are interlinked with each other. Then you should have a basics to advanced Excel proficiency. You should know about like how to work on different kind of models like the DCF, LBO, M&A. Okay, so then forecasting techniques. So you should know how the revenue of the company is being driven, what are the different kind of costs associated with the business. So then only you will be able to forecast the financial of a company. Okay, so then the financial modeling is not just about the numbers or just preparing a model. So how you're presenting your data with the help of charts and with the help of storytelling, so that really matters a lot. Okay, so that data presentation is also a very important skill set that you might be requiring for entering into this particular field. Okay, so now we'll be moving to point number two, where we are just discussing about what are the prerequisites, the kind of requirement which these recruitment firm or the investment banking firm looks within a candidate when they are basically hiring for any investment banking or financial modeling opportunity. Okay, the first one is basically about your academic background. Okay, so what academic background you are coming from. Okay, so some big opportunities like if you are applying for any bulge bracket investment bank, so then they basically specifically look for any selected institute or selected university. So otherwise, like most of these job opportunities can be applied if you have a skill set which is required to get excel in this field. Okay, so then the second point is basically about the skill set. You should have a basics to advanced Excel skills, financial analysis skill, and the problem solving skills. So then talking about the last but not the least, which is also very important point, so that is basically about the case studies and the aptitude test. Okay, so if they are fine with your academic background, so if you have the desired skill set, then they will be testing you basis some case studies and the aptitude test. In case you qualify for those, so then you'll be moving forward with the technical round. Okay, so this is the entire process like for getting selected into investment banking or any financial modeling opportunity. Okay, so now we'll be reviewing one of the financial modeling course which is basically available online. So we'll be doing a review of the Wall Street School financial modeling course. Okay, so this course is basically offered by the Wall Street School. Okay, so if we look at course curriculum, like you'll be learning from basics to intermediate Excel, advanced Excel, EN Excel, basic finance concept, financial modeling, then feasibility study, DCF valuation, trading comparables, transaction comparable, forward fee analysis, FNO, and so much. Okay, so then in addition to that, so these are the feature of this particular course, like one-to-one doubt session, industry recognition, advanced tools, real world case studies and practical exercises, comprehensive curriculum. So these are the additional feature of this course. So now coming to like how this course can be taken. So there are two different kind of versions under which this course can be taken. The first one is the 8 weeks full-time program. Under this program, so you will be attending 240 hours of live instructor-led classes. Okay, so for this program, you'll be paying a fees of about 50,000 plus GST for the training fees and 75,000 for the placement fee if you get selected through Wall Street School. So in case you land any job opportunity through Wall Street School, so then you'll be paying an additional amount of 75,000 rupees. So then coming to the next program, so which is the 3.5 months weekend program. So in this particular program, so you will be attending 170 hours of weekend instructor-led classes. Okay, so for this particular program, so you will be paying a fee of 50,000 plus GST, again the same fee, and the placement fee will be 75,000 in case you get any opportunity through Wall Street School. Okay, so these are the two different kind of program under which this course can be taken from Wall Street School. So on the basis of these parameter, I'm going to rate the Wall Street School. So if we talk about the course debt, so in this course you are going to get the comprehensive curriculum. So then Excel skills that you are going to get in this course. So live session will be there, live doubt session will be there. Internship support is something which is missing in this course, as they have not specifically mentioned on their website. Placement support, although they will be providing you with the placement support, but they are charging for it. So they are charging a very big amount for it. So for that reason, I have rated them 0. So course fees, minimum, like, so you'll be able to do this course for about 50,000 rupees. So that is a good amount of fees. Then course duration, so you'll be able to cover this course in about 3 to 4 months of time. So this is good. Money back guarantee is not available in this course. So LMS access you will be getting for the lifetime. Okay, so for that reason, I'm rating it as 1. Okay, so basis these parameters, the Wall Street School have scored 7 out of 10. Okay, so this is basically my course review for the Wall Street School. So in case you're really looking to build your career in this particular field of the investment banking and the financial modeling, so I can recommend a better course which cover all the aspects of a financial modeling course, which comes with a complete package. Okay, so I can provide you with more details related to that particular course in the description section. So in case you need any other help from my end, so please feel free to put your comments in the comment section. I will revert to you as soon as possible. So thanks for watching the video.